Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Insinkerator garbage disposal in the 1 HP category, the Insinkerator Evolution 1 HP Advanced Series. If you're looking for a premium, powerful, and ultra-quiet garbage disposal, this is the one to beat. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll notice about the Evolution 1 HP is its robust design and the premium gray finish. This is no ordinary kitchen appliance. It's designed to handle serious food waste with ease while keeping your kitchen clean, quiet, and efficient. Under the hood, the Evolution packs a 1-horsepower Dura Drive induction motor, delivering top-tier grinding power. Whether you're dealing with fibrous vegetables, small bones, or heavy food scraps after a big dinner party, this disposal handles it all without choking or slowing down. But what makes it truly stand out is the multi-grind technology. This system breaks down food waste in 2 stages, making the grinding process not just more efficient but also safer for your plumbing. It greatly reduces the chance of clogs, which is a huge bonus if you're tired of calling in plumbers. Next up, quiet performance. Thanks to its sound seal technology, this disposal operates at a whisper compared to older or cheaper models. It's sound insulated with advanced noise-reducing components, so you can have a conversation or listen to music in the kitchen without that annoying grinding roar in the background. Installation is made simpler with its quick lock sink mount, which is compatible with most existing Insinkerator models. That means fewer parts to buy, fewer tools to use, and less time crawling under the sink. It's also good to know that this model is part of the Advanced series, which means it comes with more high-end features than the standard Badger line. You get premium stainless steel grind components and an internal leak guard lining, built to last for years under regular use. This disposal unit is designed to fit under most standard kitchen sinks, but it's a bit larger due to the insulation and motor size. Still, for the power and quiet operation you're getting, the trade-off in space is more than worth it. Another thoughtful touch? The auto reverse grind system. If something jams the motor, it can reverse to clear itself, helping you avoid those frustrating resets or having to reach in and free it manually. And finally, while it's not a flashy smart device or app-controlled gadget, it's a workhorse, designed to do one job and do it flawlessly. Eliminate food waste cleanly, quickly, and quietly. To wrap it up, if you're upgrading your kitchen and want a garbage disposal that combines power, performance, and peace, the Insinkerator Evolution 1 HP Advanced Series is your go-to. It's sleek, efficient, and nearly silent. No other model in its class checks as many boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products that matter most. See you next time.